Hello guys, today we're going to learn about simple past and past progressive. So we're going to read the story, okay? Professor and Sheep. So we have, I make a special arm for Sheep. Now he can pick up litter. Yesterday I took Sheep to the park. Some children were playing when we arrived. Sheep picked up some litter, but he also picked up a ball, a bag, and a basketball. I'm sorry, said Sheep. So, you are going to underline the sentence that you can find in simple past and past progressive. After this, you are going to watch this video, okay, so you have time. And now I'm going to explain about simple past and past progressive. You can see, use the simple past to talk about actions that interrupted other actions in the past. Example, some children were playing when we arrived. Okay, if you can see arrived is the verb in simple past. Now we have past progressive. Use the past progressive to talk about the actions that were interrupted. Okay, example, some children were playing when we arrived. Okay, remember the structure of past progressive is you are going to use the pronoun, okay, then the auxiliary verb in past, was or were, then the verb with ing and the complement. Okay, remember with I, he, she, and it, you are going to use was, and with you, we, and they, you are going to use were. Okay, so watch the video, and then we are going to complete some exercise.